Open the front grille to remove the filter from the split AC for cleaning and washing. This is a preventive maintenance activity to maintain your air conditioner's cooling efficiency and performance. During the filter removal process, please ensure that the unit should be in power off mode and there are sharp edges behind the filter which may harm you. Please handle with care. This is the locking and unlocking facility in the front grille of split AC. Use both the hands to hold the left side and right side of the front grille. Pull the front grille towards the upward position to open the front grille. Hold the front grille with one hand and check the filter condition. Check the filter dust accumulation condition. Take out the dirty filter from the locking area for washing the filter. Clean the dirty air filter with soft brush under running water to remove the dirt particles. You may also rinse the dirty filter with normal detergent to remove dirt of high quantity. After wash, ensure the filter should be dried under a shaded area. Put back the dry filter into the original position and close the front grille. Push down the front grille and press both the locking area to seat back the grille properly. The benefit of this exercise is that it will help to improve the unit cooling efficiency as well as to save the energy. Please note, clean the air filter once in every 2 weeks or more if necessary to maintain the cooling performance, and never run the unit without air filter. This may affect the unit performance.